a.m. and I'm on the radio. I'm supposed to call you but I don't know what to say at all. And there's this girl, she wants me to take her home. She don't really.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I've created this look for day 5 of Navratri. So if you're interested in knowing how I created this bronzy brown smoky eyes, then continue watching. So today I'll be using this SIVANNA brown palette, and I'll be taking this dark shade from that palette that's kind of grayish ash color. So I'll be filling my eyebrows with that shade. Once my eyebrows is done, I'm moving with this LA Girl Pro Conceal to prep my eyelids. So I'll be applying it all over my eyelids, and I'm going to set the base with this shade. Once I'm done setting, I'm going to use this light brown color first as a transition shade. So I'll be applying it on my crease like this, and then I'm going to use this darker brown shade to deepen my crease even more. As you can see, I'm placing the color at my outer corner and then I'm dragging it inwards. So once I'm done blending that eyeshadow, I'll be taking that same eyeshadow and I'm filling in my eyelids like this as a base. So next up, I'm using this bronze shimmery shade for all over my eyelids. And then I'm making sure everything is blended nicely. And then I'm curling my lashes, and I'm using this Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara, and I'll be coating my upper and lower lashes with the same mascara. Moving on, I'm using this Miss Claire primer to prime my face. And then today I'll be using this Revlon Nearly Naked foundation, and I'll be applying it with my beauty blender like this. Then I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer to hide my dark circles and blemishes. And then I'm going to set my full face with this LAKME loose powder. Once that's done, I'm going back with that dark brown shade and I'm applying it on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to fill in my waterline with this nude pencil. Then I'm coating my lower lashes as well. Then I'm using this ombre blush and taking that peach shade first for my cheeks, and then I'm going to use that golden shade for highlighting my highest points, and I'll be highlighting my inner corners and brow bone as well. Then I'm using this lipstick from NYBay and I'm going to fill in my lips with that, and to finish off my look, I'm going to use this setting spray. And here we are done with day 5 of Navratri makeup. I hope you all liked it and it was helpful. So if you haven't seen my 4 days videos, I'll provide the link in the description box, so you can go ahead and watch it. With that being said, I'll finish this video. Thank you all so much for watching.